soft butter chicken naan, and it's rare to find such good chaat in Delhi. Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. I am Ishita and today we are at Indian Accent. Well, this place needs no introduction. It was started in 2009 by Chef Mehrotra. And now Chef Shantanu Mehrotra is taking forward the same legacy. If you would ask me what makes this place stand out, why it's getting so many awards, why it's so expensive, well, I will let the chef answer all your questions. So if you will see this, it's not just cute, it's delicious, and let me try it for you. It's tangy, it's flavorful. Oh my god. I think this is tamarind. As the name suggests, tamarind is khatta. Next we have pomegranate. Sweet, tangy. This is pineapple. This is not just pineapple, it's pineapple and mint. And it's amazing. This is from Gujarat. Let me try. I think my expression says it all. It's just delicious. This one is from UP. The flavors literally took me back to Lucknow. It's so delicious. And it's rare to find such good chaat in Delhi.
So this is soft shell crab with Tamilian congee and nothing gai for you. Congee or kanji, how they call it, has been there from the Dravidian eras. Traveled to various places, Thailand, the Chinese roll, or the Portuguese kanja de galina. This is my take between the Thai congee and the Tamilian congee. So that's nathan gai is salted dried citron, akin to जैसे हम लोग नींबू का अचार खाते हैं, जो बिल्कुल काला हो जाता है, पेट के लिए अच्छा रहता है. It's वो thing. It is a very homely pickle, and this is baby mango pickle. At a very tender stage, they pick it and then pickle it.
Okay.
The soft shell crab adding the crunch element with the Tamilian congee and the various pickles.
And what is this chutney? This
That's
red
tomato pickle.
tomato pickle. Okay. Looks very pretty. Let me taste it now. So interesting.
So this is lamb chicken puri, start with burze. On top of that, we have done urad dal papad kataki with chutneys and pickle. So जैसे हम लोग कबाब खाते हैं, चटनी, प्याज, कई बार पापड़ भी एक एलिमेंट आ जाता है उसके अंदर. It's a take on that. Now, chicken puri in Arabic Persian dialect means stuffed belly.
Okay.
So that is how it has been done.
And this is a pickled onion.
Pickled onion.
Okay. So everything, it is compact. You don't need 10 different things.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So
Interesting.
again, one of our concepts, how you can miniaturize the version,
Right.
giving you the taste of it rather than filling yourself on it.
Wow. Interesting, chef. Let me try. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's actually delicious, and the best part is I don't need 10 different things. It has the pickle, it has the onion, it has everything that you would want to have with your kebab.
This is the meetha chaat pork spare ribs with sun-dried mango and sour green apple. Like you're talking about the food combinations, pork goes well with sweet sour kind of a touch.
Right.
And we have the aam ki chutney, जो हम घर में अचार की तरह खाते हैं. That we are using as a sauce to it.
And it looks really nice. And again, like I've been saying, I can't wait to try this also.
Please.
Crispy on the outside, moist and soft and juicy inside. Amazing it is.
So for the main course, I've got chicken seek, koshi curry rice, and prune and mulberry korma for you.
Oh, this is basically korma. The curry is korma.
The curry is korma style. Like जैसे कश्मीरी खाने में you get the first thing on bed of rice is the seekh kebab. A take on that, along with dal, our version to dal makhani black dairy dal, and this is smoked aubergine and bhujia raita, butter chicken kulcha.
Okay.
The breads.
Interesting. So it has butter chicken stuffing.
It has a stuffing of butter chicken.
Okay. How difficult it's to make this?
Well, it's an idea. So you concentrate the flavors of butter chicken in one go, and then you fill it, use that as a filling. जैसे हम आलू कुलचा करते, पनीर कुलचा करते, ऐसी butter chicken कुलचा.
Interesting. Now I have the main course with me, where I have this amazing nihari curry with seekh kebab and rice. This is Indian accent steak on dal makhani, kali dal. This is raita with bhujia. Bhujia will add that crunch. And this is something really amazing, which is butter chicken naan. So it has stuffing of butter chicken. Like you have aloo paratha. Can you imagine it has chicken in it? I genuinely had the most amazing food. It's not heavy on your stomach. It is delicious. And if you are somebody who enjoys fine dining, luxury, Indian accent is your place. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.